is just a real quick, easy visual win. And just get some order restored. Serves me right, I should check the camera more. We're all friends here. The house is absolute chaos after Christmas and I cannot stand it anymore. But I also can't really be bothered to do a full house clean. So today we're going to do things a little bit differently, and I'm going to bake some cookies, and then whilst the dough rests, that's when I'm going to use that as my time to clean. Let's pop the dough in the fridge to rest. The baking instructions say that the dough should rest for a minimum of 3 hours, and I'm not going to be waiting that long, I'm not going to lie. So we'll get a timer set. I've got a list of things that I would like to achieve, and let's just see what we can actually get done. I'm thinking that we can set probably like an hour's timer, because let's be honest and realistic. Who wants to be spending any more than an hour at this time of year sorting the house out? I decided to set the timer for 1 hour, and I am going to start with the first thing on my list, which is to clear this coffee table. So I've got a basket, sorry Nova, and I'm just gonna put anything that doesn't belong in this room into the basket so that I can sort it at a later date to save me from toing and froing so much. Obviously things like the glasses and this, which has just been randomly left, I'll take through to the kitchen. But other than that, like this, straight away. Do you want it? What do you know? Problem solved. So, because I don't know about anybody else, but I can't function with this much on around me. I find that cleaning the coffee table like this is just a real quick, easy visual win. It just means that I feel a little bit better. And you know what? How rude of me. I've also just realised that I haven't said a proper hello to you. So, hello, welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for clicking and joining us. I hope you enjoy this video. So, just giving this a quick dust down, because honestly if you could see the amount of Nova hairs on here, it's not the best. And then today I'm just going to use some wood silk just to give the table a bit of a spruce up. It needs it, I'm not gonna lie.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
You know, I'm not going to get too caught up on dusting every single item and being crazy like that. This is literally just a small refresh. See what we can get done whilst we're waiting for the cookie dough to rest. It's really nothing out of this world crazy. And then just like that, the coffee table is done. How much better? I mean, ignore all of this around. This is what we're going to come to next. But you know, we're all friends here, so I'm really hoping that there's no judging on how terrible this is. But obviously, as it's been Christmas, Nova got some new toys too. Do you want this? I'll pop it in here. You like Connie, don't you? Right, well, this is not great. My basket's full already. We were actually recently at a market where we bought some lemon curd, and that gave me the thought behind making the cookies that I'm making today. And it's actually something that I used to make with my mum when I was much younger, and then because we had the lemon curd, I thought, well, you know, why not? And then pack that in with not being bothered to tidy. I thought this was actually a winning combo on making me move and actually get something done. Because This might now be looking a little bit better, but honestly, if you could see behind you, it's a different story. Of course, one of the most satisfying parts is getting to tick things off the list. We have 44 minutes left, so I want to sort out the dining room table because that's a disaster. But first, that also means pushing the chair back in because I pushed this out yesterday to get the placemats out. I'm really sorry if you can hear anything in the background as well. I've had to give Nova something to keep her happy. But I just like to give the placemats a little wipe down before I pop them away, just to keep them fresh and nice, really. And you might be wondering what all of this is, and to be honest, I often wonder the same thing. This actually should go on the sofa. These need to be washed because I bought some curtains from a charity shop, and I made Nova a new cover for a filling for her bed. So these are her old ones, which she loves, but they should really get washed before we put those away. So do you know what? This is an additional thing that I'm going to do. And then these are just the curtain pieces that should really be tidied away. But just haven't gotten around to doing. I actually want to make her a crate cover as well and plan on using these, so pretty much all of the curtain then gets used. Just because the fabric that I've got for the crate cover itself isn't all that thick, and I'm hoping that that'll just add a bit of thickness to keep it a little bit darker for her. So that can be binned. Well, now that the chair looks a little bit better, I'll take my attention back to this monstrosity of a dining room table. Uh-oh. That sounded like a needle. BRB. Got it. Whilst I was making Nova her bed cover, I also use it, if you've seen my previous videos you'll know this, using this table runner. I also decided to make her a little neckerchief. It's this, and I did put it on her on Christmas Day, I'm not gonna lie. So she looked mega cute. I think I could have done with a bigger U shape, but you're not here for that or to know about that. So just going to pop these bits back away. And also, if you saw my previous video, you'll have seen me say about the 40 Street tin being nostalgic. Well, this is just pure old school. It's from my grandma. I'll keep this table centerpiece just until I take all of the Christmas decorations down, and I'm not quite ready to do that just yet. So just as I'm on my way to get the mop to do the floors, I've just remembered there's the bedding from Nova's Crate. So I'm just going to pop those into the wash and then we can crack on with the floor. I have just had to re-hoover the floor because I haven't really thought particularly much about the process of doing this. It's just getting a few bits done to make me feel a little bit better, and in that means I'm not thinking of a logical way of the order of which I should be doing things, and so I've had to hoover again before mopping the floor, but that's fine. That's just real life, isn't it, really? Okay, so we've got 23 minutes left. I've actually got nowhere to put my laptop, so I'll pop it on the windowsill. And it means we can also tick off a few more things on the list. So you might have noticed that the sofa hasn't been ticked off of the list. And that's because Nova quite likes to make herself comfortable on there, so I'll do that later on. Before we're going to leave this afternoon, so I'll do that before we leave. And I feel that I put a wash load on, so it kind of like they counteract and just it balances out really. And something else as well is that this kitchen isn't all that bad. I am very lucky that Tom actually did a lot of the cleaning and whatnot in here, so it's not too bad. There's obviously my mess from baking and a few bits left over, but nothing terrible, which I'm very grateful for. One sec, I'm just going to let Nova out. We won't actually be eating dinner here today, but the thought of coming back home to a not so tidy kitchen ain't sitting well with me. And let me just move it, that's better, isn't it? You know, although we might not be cooking in here tonight, I still want it to be nice and tidy and just get some order restored. Just that feeling of comfort and cleanliness. It's quite nice, isn't it, really? Right then, I'm quickly realising I'm not going to get a lot of this kitchen done whilst I'm busy yapping away to you. Oh, it's just a water bottle. I thought like Nova was doing something or something weird was happening. So I'm going to pop you onto a time lapse, which gives me 10 minutes, and you will see it much quicker than that. So let's see how much I can get done. I didn't know it at this point, but it was around about here that I'd made a mistake whilst recording this footage. I'd foolishly left the camera on the setting to keep recording in a time lapse. You didn't really miss all that much on this clip. I was just chatting away about how I couldn't really be bothered to wash up, so it really wasn't anything intriguing. I was also working to the clock as I had about 3 minutes left, I believe, if memory recalls correctly. Whilst doing this clean, and the biggest reason for washing up all of the items was because I still had not gotten around to putting the dishwasher onto a clean. So using the M&S dishwasher cleaner that I bought in my last video, I actually finally put a clean cycle on the dishwasher. Alleluia. And whilst the water was draining from the sink, I just like to give it a quick scrub around with the Dishmatic just to help keep it clean and again stay slightly on top of things. I then quickly hung out Nova's beds from the washing machine and made my way to the porch. At this point, the cookies had been put into the oven and I had approximately 12 minutes whilst they were baking to try and get as much of the porch clean and tidy as possible. In some of these clips, you will see me talking to the camera, and that is because I am yet again telling you of how good a lint roller is on a black doormat, and I will keep telling you all the same thing, probably until the day I die. I'd also been putting off this pile of items into the car, and I finally gave up and just popped it into the boot. And then I finally realised what I had done. So I've just realised I filmed a heap of this on time lapse. So you will have just, I don't know how I'm going to edit this, but either way, yeah. We're now in the porch. I've chucked a load of stuff in the car. Cookies are baking, and you're just going to see me now tidy up the last few bits in here, and that'll be that then, won't it? Serves me right, I should check the camera more. Right then, so my watch is going off, telling me that these, oh hello, oh sorry, just opened the door into Nova, sorry girl, telling me that these cookies should be done. So let's see how they're looking. The cookies have gone a little bit AWOL and a little bit wrong, you could say. I was hoping to give one of these bad boys to my mum, but I don't think that's going to happen now. Look at the state of these. Oh dear. Okay, so maybe that's why I should have had the 3-hour time in the fridge, and I didn't. So lesson learnt on my behalf there. But I made pretty good progress. I'm quite happy with what I did. And that's just going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. So if you have made it this far, then thank you so much for watching, as always. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas, and I wish you all a very happy and healthy new year for 2026. Take care!